Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about 8th Computer Science Chapter 6 Microsoft Front Page 2003 Getting Started. Okay, Chapter 6 we are going to discuss. Today learning objectives are what is the purpose we are using Microsoft Front Page 2003. How to create web page, how to use a HTML coding, and then how to make a designs in a front page itself, and then final one, how to make a practical section for a Microsoft Front Page 2003. Getting started. Microsoft Front Page 2003. A front page is a HTML editor. What purpose we have to use this front page software? We have to use to create a design, web page design. So that purpose we are using this Microsoft front page software. So my front page is a graphical HTML editor. HTML, what purpose we have to use? Designing the web page or website. HTML full form hypertext markup language. That is the full form of a HTML. So what purpose we have to use HTML? Web page creation. That purpose we are using that HTML programming. This HTML program wise we have to make our design in a front page itself. So as well as this HTML we have some tags. Some needed rules and regulations. Some codes are there. Some coding standards are there. HTML is one of the programming language. That programming language itself we have some techniques. Some of the procedures too we have to make a we have to write a coding. Some text are there, some rules are there. Some tags are there. Different types of tags are there. We have to see one by one. And then after we have to create our design or create our web page. What you see in what you see is almost what you get. You are going to create a web page means maximum you have to think about it. For example, what we are looking there, that only it will be storing our mind. So what you are seeing there, maybe you are watching TV or watching mobile phone. Whatever it's there in your mobile phone, that only going on your mind, correct? So you have to fix that one. Going to do for next work what you did before, that will be going on your mind, correct? So என்ன think பண்றியோ, what you are thinking inside of your mind, that design only you are doing in your system itself. So that one that word only they are explaining clearly from there. It's what you see is almost what you see is more what it is. நீ என்ன பார்க்குறியோ almost what you get. நீ என்ன பார்க்குறியோ almost you have to get that output from your web page. So next one, what are the advantages of a HTML? What are the advantages are there in a front page HTML? Over HTML, it shows the tags that you are working. You are going to type your tags means so the tags everything will be displaying over there, it will be showing there. You have to choose the tags to you have to make your HTML coding. Second point, you have to indicating tab. It will be showing the indicating tabs to displaying your HTML document current page and already opened page. Everything will be displaying in your front page itself. So already saved HTML page or now you opened HTML page, whatever it is, everything will be displayed in your screen automatically. In front page itself you have to use that whatever you need, just you have to use that coding from your design. Second third point, you have to give a hints for your web pages. Hints means whatever it's what is that, sir? Okay, everyday work. Okay, so just you have to put your timetable. Okay, so morning 6 to or 7 to you have to make a timetable. Okay, morning what are the process we have to do na 6 to 7, that time 7 to 8 you have to make a timetable in your notebook itself, correct? But that is the hints of your every day. Okay, that is the hints of that whole day, correct? So now in our web page like that only. Okay, you have to make a hints. Okay, so you have to give a hints for your web page itself. You have to underline that. Okay, for example, okay, login page, username, password. After that we have to click a login page. Okay, so why we are giving that login button? That is the link. Okay, that is the hints to we have to open our page, correct? That is the hints. Like that you have to give a hints for that particular page in your website itself. Okay, otherwise next program Pongal celebration. Okay, in our website itself we have to create a one link for Pongal celebration link. That is the hints of Pongal festival. Okay, we have to click that hints. Pongal related what are the programs are there in our website, that everything will be displaying over there. Okay, whatever it is we have to see and open and watch that everything. Okay, that is the hints of a web page. Okay, that is the link. Okay, one of the link, other hint. Okay, Pongal celebration, Children's Day or Teachers Day, whatever it is, that is the hints of a particular program on the days. Okay, that particular today or tomorrow. Okay, so everyday programs we have to create a hints in a web page itself. Fourth point, okay, it organizes your web pages and even provide a reports on a web page usage. Okay, so now we have to open a YouTube or Gmail or Google. Okay, everything will be stored. Okay, so whatever you are searching in your web page, your website or your page, your browser itself, whatever you are searching, everything will be stored on a server. Everything will be stored in your mobile phone. Maybe you are cleared your mobile phone means definitely that will be stored in a server itself also. We are thinking like that it will be stored only for our mobile phone. We have to clear that means nothing will be displayed. We are thinking like that, not like that. Okay, this is a technology world. Okay, whatever we are doing in our computer or mobile phone, that everything will be displaying and someone will be stored in a particular system. Whatever you are searching, whatever you are doing, that everything will be stored in a server. Okay, so that reports also possible to get. Okay, who's handle that software? For example, Facebook. Okay, Facebook have one particular company. Okay, that company only providing all the informations, all the what are that, what are the informations are there in our website, that everything will be, everyone will see that particular Facebook website itself, correct? That everything maintain that company particularly. Okay, whatever you are posting, whatever you are displaying, whatever you are getting from Facebook, that everything, that all the reports will be stored in a that particular company server. Okay, you delete your browser itself means that is not deleted permanently. Okay, that's simply deleted in your mobile phone, your page itself, that's all. But everything will be stored on your web server. Okay, that final reports also possible to take. Okay, what are the topics we searched in a website itself, what are the topics we searched in a web page, it's that everything will be displayed on a particular server. That report also we have to get. Next one, getting started on a front page. Before we have to start a front page, okay, we have to know about the certain conditions. Okay, some terms are there. Okay, some definitions are there in a front page itself. How to work that everything. Okay, before we have to know this everything. Okay, HTML. Okay, HTML standard already we know that. Okay, hypertext markup language. Okay, this is the web documents. HTML is the one of the standard web documents. Okay, next point, HTML is the coding system. Okay, so this coding system, what purpose we got to use in the front page? Okay, that website and that web page itself displaying and running your pages. Okay, for example, web page means what it is, or Facebook we have to take. Okay, Facebook itself we have a home page. Okay, we have a status page, we have a profile page. Okay, we have a image page and a gallery page. Okay, so we have different pages. Okay, photo page, okay, or home page, that is one of the web page. Gallery page, that is one of the web page. Okay, next one is a status page, that is one of the web page. Okay, see here how many web pages I told you, 3 web pages. This collection of 3 web pages only websites. இந்த 3 websites 3 web pages collect பண்ணது தான் ஒரு website. So Facebook, that is called a Facebook, www.facebook.com. Okay, that Facebook inside we have a different web pages. Everything is different. Okay, not the same web pages. Home page means that design, that coding part, that displaying weaving methods, that colors, everything will be different. Status page, that is totally different. Gallery page, that is totally different. Correct? That collection of web pages only called as a websites. Okay, that we will see one by one. Okay, what purpose we have to use that HTML coding system? Okay, that is used to maintain your website and web pages to displaying all the informations. Okay, next one, website means what? Already I told you. Okay, this websites used to displaying information resources published on the web by government approved. Okay, so government approval the we have to displaying websites. Okay, what are the websites we have? Google website is there. Okay, Pink, that is also one of the websites. Next one is the Gmail, that is one of the website. Facebook. Okay, so that everything will be government approved websites. Okay, and maybe that websites everything will be displaying the agencies oriented or companies oriented or organizations. Okay, their websites also they have to displaying in a Google itself. Okay, so we are going to type in a Google itself that website is there means it will be displaying from your computer. Okay, maybe your individual websites also you have to create, that is also possible in a website itself. Okay, so next one, second point. Okay, each site has an one specific address. Okay, so that specific address it will be having. Okay, say any specific address. Okay, URL, we have to say a URL. Okay, universal or uniform resource locator. Okay, uniform or universal resource locator, URL full form, that is. Okay, so that URL means what it is, sir? Okay, www.google.com, that is the URL. Okay, that URL is what page will be open? Google page will be open. www.facebook.com, that will be open a Facebook page. Okay, sir, URL is understand, sir. Address means what, sir? Address means nothing but 192.168.1.2. Okay, like that. Every website have a one specific address. Otherwise, we have to type a URL to we have to open a website. Okay. Third one. This identifies the computer on which the files that make up that site's information are stored. Okay, so identify the computer, which computer itself. Okay, we have to create our websites. Okay, where it will be storing. Okay, in our individual websites you are creating means anyone watching your website means that details. Okay, so the who are watching that details will be appearing on your web server itself. Okay, so we have to see that we have to maintain that details personally. Okay, next one is the websites means what it is. Information resources. Okay, so that everything we are seeing. Okay, first point and second point, third point is over. Fourth point. Okay, these files can consist of text, graphics and multimedia components such as audio and video clips. Okay, in HTML itself we have to store. Okay, we have to display a text, graphics and multimedia components. Okay, we have to add a audio and video. Okay, that everything also possible in a that website itself. Okay, so text கொடுத்துக்கலாம், graphics oriented அதை மூவ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி. Okay, multimedia means whatever it is, photo, images, audio, video, that everything will be possible to we have to included in a website itself. Next one is the web pages means what it is. Okay, web pages means Google page, already I told you. Okay, web pages is on a HTML document. Okay, so that is the designing page. HTML page la nama design pandrathu. Okay, that is the this page only the web page. Okay, this is one of the web page. Okay, this front page, this is home page, Google home page. This is the web page. Okay, each website have a some home pages. Maybe someone is fixed in a Gmail account. Okay, someone is fixed in a Google account. Okay, that is the front page, that is the home page of your web pages, your website. Okay, a collection of web pages only the website. Okay, third point what they are saying, a collection of web pages form a websites. Okay, collection of web pages means whatever it is, home page, status page, gallery page. Okay, image pages, videos pages, that everything have in a website itself. Okay, that is called as a website. Next one is the web server. Okay, this web server is used to displaying all the information around world. Okay, worldwide, that server is providing the that access to all the person to access that particular pages, that websites. Okay, giving the permission to viewing everything and that particular pages. They are only the giving permission to accessing and viewing the Facebook, Google. Okay, server only giving the access permission. Okay, that's why we are using Facebook, Google. Okay, WhatsApp. Okay, the server is stopped, that process means, for example, WhatsApp they are disconnecting or stopped means total around this world everything will be stopped. WhatsApp oriented whatever it is, that everything will be blocked, everything will be stopped. Like that Facebook that particular company or particular server or original client. Okay, they will, okay, they stopped Facebook means totally everything will be stopped. Okay, no one can access that Facebook account. Okay, web server only giving the permission to access websites. Okay, next one is this web server itself we have to store. Okay, web server, what purpose we are using, sir? Okay, we have to store, process and deliver a web page to clients. Client na yaar sir, நம்ம எல்லாருமே clients தான். Okay, so web serverங்கிற யார் சார்? அதாவது software creator. Who is the web server? He is the main person of giving permission to access that particular software, particular websites. Okay, so that web server itself, okay, main focusing, main primary function of a web server is storing, processing and deliver a web pages to clients. Okay, that is the primary function of a web server. Third point, final one, the communication between client and server takes place using the hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP. Okay, what is that HTTP, sir? Okay, so where it will be showing? Okay, before you go to this page, www.google.com. okay, before that www.http, that text will come. Okay, that the text hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, so that text only giving the relationship between a server and a client. Okay, server kum client kum ulla connectivity, that hypertext transfer protocol only giving that connectivity to access that particular website for particular server. Okay, so this is the web pages and web server. Next one, web browser. Okay, without browser we cannot access any websites or web pages. Okay, already we know that. Okay, how much important for a web browser means, without anything these web browsers, okay, see here, Internet Explorer, Opera, Chrome, okay, Mozilla Firefox, this is the another one softwares. Okay, these are all for web browsers. Okay, these browsers only accessing websites, your HTML coding or your informations on your Facebook or your email ID. Okay, so that everything we have to use, we have to access with the help of these browsers. Okay, so this is the very important one for we have to viewing our pages on a screen. Okay, next one, how to create a front page. Okay, go for start, all programs, there itself Microsoft Office, there Microsoft Office front page 2003. Okay, like that we have to go, means this page will be opened. Okay, so this page itself, what are the information will be displaying in front page of a preview. Okay, so there itself it will be displaying a front page itself, it will be displaying some page designs. Okay, it will be displaying a page design, split, code, preview. Okay, these four topics is very important for front page of a preview. Okay, what are the toolbars? Design, split. Design is what purpose? Viewing whatever we are doing in a design oriented, that everything will be viewing from there. Okay, see here, what you see is almost what you get, that is a work of your design. Okay, split means, okay, your HTML coding and then after your design, these both will be displayed. Okay, first design, then after that it will be displaying the coding standard. Next one, code means only coding. Okay, so design coding, that part will be displaying. In front page, this software itself we cannot type any coding from there. Okay, we have to make a design, that coding part will be automatically created. Okay, just we have to see practical session, we have to see that everything. Okay, Next one, preview. Okay, preview means the view that you click when you want to test your document. Okay, so preview means what it is. And printout, before taking printout we have to view a preview. Okay, we have to see a techniques, okay, whatever we want to do. Okay, so next we are giving printout means we have to say that page, okay, everything's correct. Okay, so that all the details will be displaying or not, everything we have to see in this particular page. Okay, that preview. Okay, so last point, they are giving a note. You must be in design view in order to edit your document. Okay, so in design view itself we have to edit our document. Okay, in a split view panna mudiyadhu, code or preview, this page itself we cannot do anything. Okay, we have to do our editing for your web page or your documents, means you have to do everything in a design page only. Okay, that's why they are given a note, important note for this particular page. Okay, next one, creating a website. Okay, now we are going to creating a website. Some planning we have to do. Okay, before creating our websites we have to do some planning. Okay, what are the stages are there? Okay, 3 stages are there. Deciding what information you need to convey. Okay, so we are creating a website means definitely we have to know what information you are conveying to some other. Okay, that is very important. Next one is draw out the website structure in a diagram form. Okay, before making your website you have to draw. Okay, you have to draw. Okay, design that front page link. Okay, that everything you have to make it. Okay, how many web pages you are going to create in a website, that everything you have to plan and making a full structure of a diagram. Okay, next third one, sketch a common layout for each page. Okay, over page we have to take a one website means we have a more web pages. Okay, everything, all web page we have to design. Okay, that layout design we have to make must. Okay, sketch, we have to sketch before and then after we start our website, create a website. Okay, these 3 stages are very important to we have to make a website. Okay, so definitely you have to know these points, everything. After that we have to see our practical session. Okay students, today what are the topics we discussed? Front page none. Okay, introduction to front page, advantages of a front page over HTML. Next one is the how to starting with the front page. Before that, what are the techniques we have to know about a front page? Okay, HTML means what, website means what. Okay, HTML means what, already we know that. Okay, hypertext markup language, that is a web documents. Okay, this HTML is used to make a web page design. Okay, website means what, Facebook, Google, these are all for websites. URL means uniform or universal resource locator. Third one, web pages. Okay, already your home page, your status page. Okay, your image page, your gallery page. Okay, like that we have a different pages. Okay, next one, web server means he is the main part of that particular website. Okay, he maintain all the details on a website itself. You have to delete your mobile phone itself, means that everything will be stored already in a that web server. Next one, web browser. Okay, without browser we cannot access anything on a internet. Okay, so we have to see next session, practical session. Okay, one by one we have to do. Okay, how to open that and then how to create a designs and web pages. Okay, how to make a web pages. Okay, that everything will be we have to see in the next session itself. Thank you students, have a nice day.